hard. Good Jerry. Yeah.
Hey, Charles. Just watching Jerry and yourself in the camera. Mm-hmm.
Ow.
Yeah, Charlie, that's you.
Mm-hmm.
That's you, Charlie. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's you, Charlie. Hey, Charlie.
Can't tell if she's upset or if she's like, yeah, look at that pretty girl right there.
Giant fluffy chicken turkey ball.
Meanwhile, Jerry.
This is the difference between the two birds. Charlie just bobs her head, and Jerry goes. Jerry's Jerry.
Yes.
Charles.
Yeah, do you see yourself? Oh, is that what my hair looks like? Yes, Jerry. There's Jerry. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Charles.
Oh, yeah, Jerry.
Hey, Charlie.
Yes, aren't you pretty? Aren't you pretty? Yeah, Jerry.
Charles, do you want to try that? Do you want to turn your head upside down? Hi, Charles.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh-oh, I have two birds now. Hi, Jerry. Hey, Charles. Here they are. Hey, Jerry. Hi, Charlie. Charlie. All right, back to their perch so we can keep putting away Christmas stuff. There you go. Charles, up, up. Good, Charlie. Now, Jerry, your turn. Good, Jerry. Okay. You guys be good. Here, Charles. Hi, Jerry.